Hi, I'm David.
And I'm Troy, and we're with Britech HVAC.
When was the last time you replaced your heating and cooling system? Generally, they only last about 15 or 20 years.
I've been with Britech HVAC for 8 years, and in that time, I've provided literally thousands of solutions to homeowners.
Troy, perhaps you can explain to everyone the process that you go through in an estimate to ensure all customers' needs are being met.
Sure, thanks David. I like to sit down and help educate the homeowner so they can make an informed and confident decision regarding equipment for their home. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. On the day of the installation, our technicians will go out of their way to exceed your expectations. Never taking shortcuts, and with a strict installation policy, no detail is ever overlooked, right down to leaving the house tidier than when we arrive. Oh, and also, our techs are factory trained, meaning not only are you going to get the correct equipment, but the equipment installed correctly.
So if you need a new furnace, AC, or fireplace, give us a call. Estimates are always free.
Britech HVAC, keeping you in your comfort zone.